Okay, hi mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So for today, it's going to be a different video. I'm going to show you my setup and like what I've been using to record videos, and I bought a few upgrades that I guess if you're a content creator in YouTube, it would help you. So if you want to know what is it all about, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay guys, I've been doing content for YouTube for the past, like seriously, maybe a few years now, maybe 1 or 2 years. I've started with my webcam, and then I upgraded, not actually upgraded, I used what I already have, and later on I will show you inserts of what are the items that I actually use that that started me on this journey. And right now I bought something from Amazon that I want to do a little bit of upgrade for this setup, and it costs, like, it depends on which one you want to take. So roughly, let's just say it's 150 Sing dollars. So right now I'll show you my setup. Usually nowadays I record using my Samsung Note 9 using the front facing camera like this, but for today, so we'll take a video. I'm using this Canon G1X. I like this because it has a flip screen, so I can actually see myself, and I have a ring light. I think it's just a 14-inch ring light, which I bought for, how much did I bought it for? Like 25 Sing dollars. So then I already have a, what do you call this? A tripod. I usually film my videos. I'll put everything on top of a table, and then that's what you actually see. But since nowadays I've been recording on my phone, the G1X doesn't have any audio input. So that's why I decided to switch to my phone. It's not that it's not good, it's actually good. I've used this like several, like maybe 1.5 years. And then I shifted to my Samsung Note 9. And yeah, so today we're going to set up a new rig. First, what you have is, this is a selfie monopod thing, and I bought this like stand. It's like for a table stand, since I want to put it on the table. And guys, this is my second time recording this video. So I think you can purchase this for like $10, I guess. Then you always have your selfie stick. Let's put it like up to where you can actually see it. Okay, the first thing that I actually purchased from Amazon, I'm going to put all the link to these items if you want to at the description box. Okay, this is the reason why I wanted to purchase this. Okay, so it's the Urig Pro smartphone rig. This is how you actually, this is it, how it actually looks like, and it's under Ulanzi. It's the Ulanzi Urig Pro smartphone video rig. It comes like this. It actually shows you how you can actually set it up if you're interested. And the thing that I like, because this set actually comes with LED lights, but let's set it up first. So you have the hot shoe, and then like some screws. You can choose to put it like this or like this. At the back, there's this knob. You can just like pull it up so that you can put your phone. Okay, so let's set it up facing you guys. You know, when you want to start creating content for YouTube, you actually don't need to spend a lot of money. Just work with what you actually have. I actually started filming myself using my webcam. I still have it at my laptop station. I have my webcams get set up, and I also have my lights, which is just a table lamp. So that's what I've been using for the, like when I started, I guess I was using it for like a year on and off. Okay, so this set I actually got from Amazon is $42. So it comes with this Urig Ulanzi one, and it came with the Ulanzi, can you even say, see? The Ulanzi Select 49 LED mini video lights. It comes in two. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Can you see that? Yes, you can see that. It has the hot shoe, and this is the bummer because it uses batteries. Unlike my ring light, it uses like USB. So I don't know how I feel about it, but I would try to figure out how I can actually put the ring light together. Okay, so tighten the screw so that it will not drop, because I dropped this yesterday. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then put the other one. Okay. I want to show you my other. Okay, I have to find it. Okay, so next is not that Samsung, how do you call it, the phone audio is not good. It's just like I wanted a crispier audio. So I also have this BOYA mic, and I got this at Lazada for $40. One thing good, this video will not be a video unless I actually drop things. Just be thankful, Victoria, that the one you drop is not this stand again, but actually a paper, so I'll pick it up later. So yeah. Of course, if it's a selfie stick, the higher you go, the more unstable it will be. So just be careful. So this is the BOYA mic. You can actually use it both for this DSLR cameras, if it has the audio input, and for your smartphones. So it comes with two set of audio jack. This is for the hand phone, which is the straight one, and the curled up one should be for your what do you call this, DSLR. But my Canon G1X, I know it doesn't have an audio input, so yeah, just in case I wanted to upgrade. So it also comes with the hot shoe thing, and then what I usually do, I take out this fuzzy. Okay, you use the fuzzy ball, the fuzzy thing. It looks like a pet. Okay, when you're recording outside, so it cancels some of the noise. But if you're just filming inside your room or inside your house, this would actually suffice. I don't have intention of leaving this microphone together. I do have intention of leaving it like this, just a stand on top of the table, so I don't have any excuses of not being able to film because I need to set up. Actually, it's easy. It's just that I want everything to be like, I just snap it and all. Because now when I film, I have two tripods, one for my phone or my camera and the lights. Oh my goodness. If you've been following me on Instagram, you guys would have known that I just came back from Bali. And I'm tired. I'm sunburned. If you see, my color is kind of different. My cheeks, this is not contour. It's slightly sunburned, so it's painful. I can't even do a makeup tutorial just because I'm in so much pain that I don't want to put put cosmetics on just to irritate my face. Anyways, good luck to me editing this video because now it's already like 10 minutes. Oops. So now I'm happy with this setup. I'm so scared of putting my phone, but okay. So again, push this up, all the way up. Then of course you have to be careful when you put your phone. Adjust it accordingly on how you actually want it. Make sure you're not hitting any buttons. Hold your tripod because it's so scary that it might just drop. And then connect your audio jack to your phone. And then you're supposed to be ready for recording. So let's switch this on. Right now you can see all the whole mess on my table. This is how small my video corner is. So there's a switch behind, so you just switch it on. This is the full glass. Okay, not so bad. So now I'll be switching to this and then I'll be back. Okay, so now we're back in using my Samsung Note 9 in recording this video. I like to record my videos using the front-facing camera just because I can see myself. I know the resolution would be better if I use the rear camera, but I just like to see myself. And of course, I'm using the BOYA mic. I'm not so sure how it's going to sound like until I started to edit this video. So as of now, I'm still using the ring light. We're going to switch it off. Oh my goodness, it almost fell. So let's switch it off. So this is all natural lights without the lights. Okay, Victoria. Now let's switch on the Ulanzi LED lights. And so far, this is how it looks like with the Ulanzi lights switch on all the way to its maximum brightness. And frankly speaking, if I'm looking at the camera, at least I'm not looking directly to the lights, but it's going to harm your eyes, people. So, but I'm not so sure how it looks like because it's kind of glaring. I have to see, so let's see and adjust the lights and then I'll come back. I still need to adjust my eyesight because I find it glaring. I can't even, my eyesight is already bad and this light is making it worse. But I just switched it like halfway, so this I guess is more tolerable and eye-friendly. Since I'm not directly looking at the lights, I'll be directly looking at my phone. But whether, let's see if we add the ring lights. Okay, is it better? This is with the ring light and the two fill lights. Let me know at the comment section below which one looks better actually. So This is my new setup, which costs like less than 150 Sing dollars, and it would be cheaper if you already have your existing tripods, your existing microphone. If you already have your microphone, I had this BOYA mic for the longest time, but I was just too lazy to use it. But now, since I already have this like contraption, I'll be able to use this, and yeah, and hopefully my audio would sound good. So if you like this type of videos wherein I share with you guys more on like behind the scenes, what I actually use if I want to record videos, and maybe next time I'll record a video on how the before and after of my filming setup is. And yeah, so if you like this type of video, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I try to upload videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet.